Guys, today we're going to talk about the virtual deal, the easy buy button on Lot2You. My name is Eddie Green, founder of Lot2You.com. If you guys purchased a vehicle before, you've probably spent 3 or 4 hours in the dealership, wondering if you're going to get approved, waiting for a sales manager to make a decision, waiting for the salesman to go back and forth. Well, with the virtual deal, we take the pain of the showroom floor out of the equation. There's no more waiting for hours. You could do everything from the comfort of your home. You could push the easy buy button on Lot2You and start the negotiation with the dealer right there. With the virtual deal button, you set the terms. You set your down payment, you set the term of the loan that makes you feel comfortable with the payment that you can afford. Also, if you want to purchase an extended service contract, you could choose which service contract works best for you. With the virtual deal button, it makes this deal truly transparent. There's no more wondering if you got suckered. You control the deal with the virtual deal button on Lot2You.com. With the virtual deal button, you can compare vehicles throughout the United States, up to 5 vehicles at one time. No matter how picky you are, it may be color or engine size, I guarantee with our huge dealer network, we will have the vehicle that you're looking for. So for more information on how to purchase a vehicle through our virtual deal, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go directly to Lot2You.com.